Hi friends, hello viewers. Once again, welcome back to Teresa Josephine Kitchen. Today, as usually, I used to bring recipes for you all. So the yummy snacks I'm going to bring today: onion pakoda. How to make a very simple, instantly, and nothing else. Very crispy, and all the kids will be liking. Make a slice like this: onions, one onion. I'm taking two onion I've taken like this. Make it, and if the onions are like this joint, make it like this, so that yum yum it will be coming crispy. So make it like this nicely, this like this. Anyway, the slices, you can, how the slices are there, how your kids loves, and how you people, how you likes this kids. You can chop it, but long like this, ring, or long this type of things are very good, and it will be. And 1 gram flour, 1 cup. And I've taken 2 tablespoon, that is half a cup. I've taken rice flour. Rice I've a little bit I've roasted, and I've taken the rice flour. And salt as per the taste. I've taken the just 1 teaspoon, sorry, that is salt I've taken. Let's start the process. How we have to start: take one vessel like this, and take a onion, take a flour first, mix it well. Yes, rice flour also, take it, use it, and the salt. It's simple, just with the 4 ingredients we are making. Salt as per the taste. I'm using 1 teaspoon, and chili powder also. I'm taking 1 teaspoon, because kids, how the kids likes, so that's enough. 1 teaspoon I've taken. This we have to mix it nicely with a spoon. Mix it well. All the flour should be mixed well. First, don't use the water, because how it is, if you are using this onion leaves water. So you have to mix it, the flour, and then onions you have to add little by little. Then just we have to sprinkle the water. Slightly we have to sprinkle the water. First mix it. Use a hand to mix nice well. Then slightly you have to add the, and in this I'm not using it for any kinds of snacks or anything else. I will not use also soda, all that. At least we have to mix it well. See, nicely we have to mix with a hand like this. Nicely we have to coat all the onions. Unless this all the dry flour, just I think it's not required to 2 tablespoon is enough. Water, 2 tablespoon of water is enough, because the onions will be leaving the water, as I told you earlier. So this is the enough. Nicely it has mixed well all the dry ingredients, and this is the super and yummy. Nothing else, we are used only 4, and it's very crispy. Any optional, if you want to add chili, or else anything else, green chili also you can add it, and green leaves also you can add it. So let's take a pan. After that, make it hot. The pan should be hot little bit. Then pour a oil. I've taken the rice bran oil or else refined, any cooking oil we can have it. Mustard oil, some people will like it, anything else. Then later, after hot, it became hot. After 2 minutes or 3 minutes, according to your vessel, how much. So keep your flame little bit medium, not sim also. And then put your onions mixture. This actually after mixing, just keep for 10 minutes aside so that it becomes so soft also. So yummy it will be. All the kids will love it so much if you cook like this. Believe it, crispy and yummy pakodi. The ingredients also is very simple. Using a rice flour is beneficial. Is it gives a crispiness and it won't become soft also. Even in the winter also if you are cooking, even in the cold place also if you are keeping, that is the beneficial. And option I told you, we can add masalas like garam masalas also we can add it. I'm not using garam masalas. So just according to your flavor, whatever you want to use, you can use it. After 2 minutes, this you can immediately don't flip it. A little bit keep a flame, but be careful unless the golden color comes. Immediately after putting these onion pakodis inside the oil, don't flip it immediately. It will be sticking. So unless it comes up, then you flip it, mix it well. The color also will be very yummy unless the golden color comes. It takes hardly 5 minutes. Mixing 5 minutes and cooking 5 minutes, 10 minutes recipe it is. Very yum it will be, and all your kids will be loving so much. And please cook this kinds of pakodis with hot tea or hot milk, whatever. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and share to your friends and like it and press the bell icon also. Don't forget to comment in the comment box or the description box. I mentioned all the details, how it is, the process, everything. Please check it, and for the further notifications, please click the bell icon, and please try this recipe. That is the first thing I want to share it to you all. And please don't forget, so yum they have taken. It's cooked almost. So believe it, this kinds of yum, and it's very tasty it will be. Believe it, these kinds of snacks it will cook and it will give to your friends, to your evening kitty parties or whatever you're doing. So these kinds of things if you're doing and if you're giving to your friends or relatives or your kids, they like it, they enjoy. It's very simple recipe. Try in your home, and please mention your new recipes also which I want to post. I'll post it definitely. Please assist me, and thanks for assisting me and thanks for encouraging me. Thank you for watching Teresa Josephine Kitchen. Once again, don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.